So hi everybody, today my parrots are having pasta, but they're not just pasta, look. They're little eggs and little Easter eggs and little Easter bunnies, and yeah. I got this from Lidl's and I'm really happy about it, and I'm sure my lot are going to love it, but it's just really nice because it's the Easter theme, isn't it? Yeah, so I'll show you my lot eating it. Having some grapes, some apple, some sweet corn and some broccoli and some butternut squash. As you can see, I've pre-bought all this. I haven't been to the market or the farm or whatever to pick it. Butternut squash, and before you actually give it to your parrots, you have to make sure you cook it. It has to be cooked. Raw is no good for them. So yeah, so you have to make sure that it's very well cooked. So I'm going to get on with that. So as you can see, we've got all our vegetables in here. So we've got, and our fruit obviously. So we've got our apple, our butternut squash, broccoli, sweet corn, grapes and apple. And now I'm going to add the pasta. And there is the pasta on top of the vegetables and fruit. And I'm also going to add some Mikey and Mia's spicy seed mix into it. There you go, that is complete. So there you go, this is what I'm doing for my parrots for their breakfast. As you can see, there is the butternut squash, the apple, the grapes, the sweet corn, the Brussels sprouts, and also the pasta. And on top of the pasta is Mikey and Mia's sprout and seed mix, so just to make it a bit more flavourable. And we've also got to add to it the food that I got the other day that I told you about. My lot absolutely love it. So yeah, so this is their breakfast, and this is for 6 parrots, so I'm sure they're going to love it. And you can hear Rio laughing in the background. Hello. Yeah, hello Rio. Rio is with me, I will show you, waiting for her breakfast. There she is. Hello, Rio. Oh, where are you going? There she is. Say hello. Say hello. Yeah, say hello. Wait for my... Yeah, dickle, dickle. Waiting for your breakfast. So we best get on with it. So Rio, all the others can have their breakfast today. Hey, Rio.